This is the solution to question 1D from homework 3. The first step is to rearrange the equation so that we have it in the form dy over dx plus p of x times y equals q of x. So once we do this, the equation becomes dy over dx minus y is equal to 1 over x e to the x. The algebra is not difficult to get there. So that means that p of x is equal to -1 and q of x is equal to 1 over x e to the x. So what this tells us is that this is a linear differential equation, first order linear differential equation. The fact that it can be written in this form. So one of the methods for linear differential equations is Bernoulli method. And to use the Bernoulli method, what we have to do is make y is equal to u times v. This is dy is equal to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. We substitute this into equation 1, and that becomes u dv over dx plus v du over dx minus y, which is u times v, equals to 1 over x e to the x. We factor out u, and it becomes u times dv over dx minus v plus v du over dx equals 1 over x e to the x. So we're looking for a function v that will make this term equal to 0. So that means that dv over dx is equal to v. Well, there is an easy function for that. We choose v equal to e to the x. We substitute this into equation 2 over here. So that means that e to the x du over dx is equal to 1 over x e to the x, which also simplifies into very easy equation. This can be solved by a direct integration. So we get u is equal to natural log of x plus the natural log of some constant. So that becomes natural log of c times x. So that means that y is equal then to e to the x times natural log of c times x. Next we need to check if this is indeed a solution. So we have y is equal to e to the x natural log of c times x. So differentiating this gives me e to the x natural log of c times x plus e to the x over cx times c by chain rule, which becomes e to the x times natural log of cx plus 1 over x. We go back to the original differential equation that says that xy, this one, we're going to go to equation 1. Let me see. Yes. So dy over dx minus y. That means y prime minus y is equal to e to the x times the log of cx plus 1 over x minus y to the x natural log of cx. So these two terms cancel, and I get 1 over x e to the x, which is exactly what we have here. So that completes or checking the confirming this solution. And that's all.